Hello everyone, another question on words in context. So again, the question stem, it's the same. Like I said, it's going to be the same for this type. Let's go ahead and read the text. Beginning in the 1950s, Navajo Nation legislator Annie continuously worked to promote public health. Let's take a pause here. So this person Annie is basically continuously working to promote public health, right? This is what I get from the first part of the sentence. This blank effort involves traveling throughout the vast. So what kind of an effort was this? Let's take a pause there, okay? Some kind of an effort involved traveling throughout the vast Navajo homeland and writing a medical dictionary for speakers of the Navajo language. Okay, so basically this person Annie is working continuously, right? Traveling a lot, traveling throughout, and she also wrote a medical dictionary. But what I feel is our answer lies somewhere in the first sentence itself, or the first part of the sentence itself, because this tells me what kind of effort she put into that work. There was a continuous effort, right? Now, with this understanding, let's go ahead and try and eliminate our options. Impartial. The option A says impartial. There is no point of saying that this effort was biased or unbiased, right? I mean, there's no question of this being or this having some kind of biases, right? It's just what kind of effort she was putting in that I have to find, correct? And what I know from the first part of the text is that she was continuously working, sort of continuous effort. She was putting in a continuous effort. She was working hard, right? Nothing about biases. So I'm going to remove A. B says offhand. The meaning of offhand is being casual. She was definitely not being casual, right? Somebody who's working continuously, somebody who's traveling so much, or writing a medical dictionary for speakers of Navajo language doesn't look like being casual. So this person is definitely not casual. If anything, she's opposite of being casual, right? So I'm going to eliminate this. Let's look at C, persistent. The meaning of persistent is exactly, it's exactly to what's been given to us here. Continuous, something happening consistently or continuously. So I already like this option. I like this option as my answer, right? And like I told you earlier, whichever word you pick up in your options is in some way already given to you in the text. So in this particular question, a synonym of persistent is already given to you in the text, right? That's continuously. So I like the word persistent here. This was a persistent effort. Anyhow, we have to go ahead and eliminate D as well. Mandatory. Now, nowhere in the text it told me that Annie was doing this out of compulsion, right? Anything, a compulsion that was by law or something. There was no such context given to me in the text, so I cannot say that this effort was mandatory. So C is the best choice. It's already been given to us. This is the key indicator in the text that tells us that, her effort was continuous or persistent, or she was consistent in her effort. Right? So C is the best choice that we can pick up.